Hey, I hope you're having an absolutely incredible day today. I'm going to be going over how you can create content for your entire social media across all platforms. There are three main types of posts that we're going to be creating. The first is a faceless Twitter post. Second is YouTube teaser, advertising your YouTube videos that are going to be long form content. And the third is going to be an AI avatar that you're going to create and then create news articles to keep your audience engaged in what's going on in your specific niche. Today we're going to be creating them from scratch and then scheduling all that content for the remainder of this week. So with that being said, we're going to jump into our first one, which is faceless Twitter posts. So these faceless Twitter posts are essentially going to be motivational pieces of content. They're kind of content for the days when you don't have content, because it's a super easy method. It literally takes like 10 minutes to be able to do this. It's absolutely insane. So head on over to YouTube. Let's take this Hormozy clip here. We're just going to copy it. We're going to head over to this website called Tactic.io. All right, so tactic.io/tool/YouTube transcript. We can upload the video URL. We're going to get the video transcript, and just like that, we now have the entire transcript in literally a second. We're going to go ahead and copy that. Then we are going to say format this script into 50 viral tweet. Paste in the script. We'll let it run. So yeah, you can see right here there's some super awesome potential tweets. So work isn't just about hours, it's about outputs. Outputs is equal to volume times leverage. Simple equation, powerful results. Work faster by increasing your output per minute. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to copy all these. Right, so let's say we copy these. I'm gonna head into our drive, just create a new Google Sheets. I'm gonna name it Twitter posts. Then I'm just gonna format it a little. So I'm just editing the ones that speak to me more personally as my own personal brand. All right, so now I got 21, in my opinion, super powerful tweets and posts. So now what I'm going to do is head on over to Canva and we're just going to search for Instagram Reel. All right, so do this, toss in one of these, then we'll toss in some text. All right, so just mess around with it till you get something that you like. Okay, so this is the basic layout. You can mess around with it if you want, but you know, it's really simple. And then we're going to go ahead, click on apps. I'm going to search for bulk create. There we go. Now you can quickly create hundreds of pages, right? So we're going to want to click upload data. Before we do that, we're going to come back into here. All right, so there we have it. We're going to go file, download, CSV. Boom, that downloads. Now we're going to head back into here. We're going to upload our data. So click here, go connect data to this field. And we're going to click continue. With all of the tweets that we just created, we're going to generate 21 designs. You can add in animation. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose one that I like. All right, then we're just going to go ahead, apply to all pages. The animation's been applied to all pages. All right, and there we have it. So now we can just go ahead and share. We're going to hit download. And then we are going to download the pages as separate files. And we are going to go ahead and click download. We're going to let that run. And now we have 21 faceless Twitter posts created. So that was piece of content one complete. The second is YouTube teasers. So for YouTube teasers, I took my last video here, create an AI driven newsletter a minute, step-by-step guide, right? I clicked share. I got the link, copied that link. Went ahead over to Opus Pro and I literally just pasted the link here, get clips in one click. It created all of these. It went ahead, compiled all of these different videos for me. It gave me 12 different options, and out of those 12 options, I liked 4 of them. Right, so it literally took me no time at all. I just thought that 4 were actually pretty solid. So now we have 21 faceless posts created in 5 minutes. We have 12 high quality short form YouTube teasers pushing to your long form content that was created in minutes. And now this last one, which AI clone news. So in my last video, I created this AI newsletter. I'm going to go in here. I'm going to take one of these that I want to talk about this week. So let's say this is the one that I want to talk about. Google and Microsoft partner to develop AI powered chatbot for enterprises. Pretty insane. I'm just going to pop in here. I'm going to write, turn this news article into a viral piece of short form content. All right, so pretty good. I wonder what happens when tech giants join forces. So that's the hook. Anyways, so on and so forth. But now we have the script. I'm going to hop into here. I'm going to create portrait. Go to the script. Here we go. We got the script. So now we're going to go ahead. We're going to export that script. All right, guys. So I just hopped into 11 Labs. I uploaded my voice sample. So literally just took my iPhone, recorded it like this, and then sent it in, and it sounds pretty solid. Ever wonder what happens when tech giants join forces? So there we go. Boom, we got the voice. We have an ID. We're also going to need to grab our API key. So we're going to come into HeyGen, integrate third party, 11 Labs. We're going to paste the API key here. And then now we can literally just see the Kevin voiceover. We're going to import that to HeyGen. It's been imported. We can click off. We're going to use this voiceover instead. So now if we go back to our video avatar, change the voice to the 11 Labs voice. We'll let that load in.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
And you can see we have a much clearer quality than the original one that I was just using, which is what I took outside. So that's the one that we're going to use. Come in here. We're going to go to the script. So there you go. Beautiful. We're going to go ahead, hit submit. All right, guys. So video is finished. We're going to go ahead and download that. Then we're going to head back into Opus Clip. So we're only going to add the caption without clipping. Then we are going to get the clips in one click. So now it's going to create the video, add captions to it. So once you have finished loading that into Opus Clip, what you're going to do is just come in here and click generate AI B-roll. And then you can either choose stock footage or you can choose like AI generated content. So I actually went ahead, did it all, and I did a mix of both. So you can see that that's generated with AI, and then a little later on, that's actually just stock footage. That's pretty much it. It's going to finish creating it. So it's going to take 1 minute. You can go ahead, do another video like that using, another news article and generate another video like this. But all you really need is the script. It doesn't even need to be AI news. It can be anything that you come up with in a script. And then once that's completed.
Ever wonder what happens when tech giants join forces? Google and Microsoft have just announced a game-changing partnership to develop an AI-powered chatbot for enterprises. This innovative chatbot will be available on both Google's Dialogflow and Microsoft's Bot Framework, enabling businesses to offer more personalized and efficient customer service. By leveraging advanced natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, this chatbot will understand and respond to user queries with unprecedented accuracy and speed. Imagine a world where customer service is instant, intelligent, and seamlessly integrated across platforms. This collaboration aims to revolutionize how businesses interact with their customers, providing not only quick solutions, but also a more human-like interaction experience. What do you think this means for the future of customer service and AI technology in businesses? Stay tuned for more updates on the latest in tech. Subscribe now to stay engaged with the future of AI.
In my opinion, it's insane. I mean, I just needed a script. I know my voice kind of went British at the end there, so I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe I have to retake my voice model so it sounds more like me and it doesn't go British halfway through. Other than that, it's like pretty incredible, right? Considering I took a link to a news article that I didn't even read that ChatGPT generated for me. Then I took it, turned it into a script, and then that script was approved by me and fed through an AI clone of myself, and then added some B-roll footage here. And now that's complete. I do one or two of these per week. I combine it with the faceless Twitter posts and the teasers to my video, and I'm done. That took me an hour of work to be able to come up with a post for every single day this week that is high quality and that is going to generate attention. This is absolutely insane, and something that would have taken me hours and hours to do is now dwindled down to an hour of high quality content. And honestly, if you outsource the editing, which is the majority of the time spent in this video, it's really just approving scripts. This could literally take you 5 to 10 minutes of your time per week, and you would be able to have content for every single day of the week, maybe even more, maybe even posting twice per day on some days. Feed right into the Instagram algorithms, and you can then distribute it across every single platform with the click of a button by scheduling it into your calendar in Opus Clip. I hope you got immense value out of watching this video. And if you did, I would really appreciate you dropping a thumbs up, subscribing, and joining me for the journey as I continue to build out these AI systems to be able to bring more time back into your life and create some awesome content along the way that reaches your target audience. And that's pretty much it. I hope you have an incredible day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.